Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel AnuShree channel. My name is Mathur. Friends, I hope you all are doing great. Friends, in today's video I am gonna share with you some very amazing tips and tricks with the help of which you can start thinking in English language. Friends, this is a very common problem. I have seen like there are so many English learners, they just ask what is the process, how can we start thinking in English. Friends, you know what, this is the problem, like when we want to speak any sentence into English, so first of all what we do, we just translate the sentences and from our mother tongue, and then we speak in English, and when we do this kind of activity, so we suffer, we don't get fluency, there is a gap between thinking and speaking. So we should get rid of this kind of problem. How can we do it? Friends, I am sharing with you some tips, and I request you to follow those tips in your learning process. You will forget to translate the sentences from Hindi to English. Okay friends, so first of all, point number 1, what you have to do when you wake up in the morning, so just motivate yourself. First of all, I can, I will, okay, and narrate your daily routine. Okay, narrate your daily routine, like at what time do you get up from bed, and after that what do you do, and after that what do you do. So all these things you have to maintain. How can you do? I'm telling you, like you have to speak. First of all, I get up early in the morning, next I get fresh, brush my teeth, after that I have a cup of tea, then I read newspaper, finally I start doing my daily work. So friends, that's how you have to practice. Okay, and when you do this kind of thing, and friends, when you start speaking like this, so within 1 week you will see changes in yourself. Initially you will feel uncomfortable while speaking, you will not get enough word to speak, but friends, by doing regular things, by doing regular practice, you will feel comfortable and you will feel it's very easy going. Okay friends, so every day when you wake up in the morning, so you have to speak your daily routine first of all. Okay friends, and point number 2, what things you have to do, you have to follow live commentary formula. Okay, what is live commentary formula? Where you are sitting, okay, where you are sitting, maybe you are sitting in your room or in your hall, okay, or you are in the market or in your office or at your school, at your college, what place maybe, okay, the thing which you see with your eyes, you have to speak with your mouth. Okay, this thing you have to do. Like if you are in the market, so you can see a lot of things happening there, like there are so many fruit sellers, there are so many shops, there are so many people, they are doing the different kinds of things. So as you see, you have to mention in the you have to mention all the things. So second thing you can do, and friends, in the evening after completing all your work, when you are sitting alone, so you can recap your day. Okay, you can recap your day, like what things did you do since morning to evening, and you have to keep the structures in your mind, that whenever you are speaking about your past, so you have to use the second form of verb, and when you are speaking about your future, suppose that you are sitting, you are watching this time my video, okay, and after watching the video, what will you do? So you have to think in your mind. Okay, like if you are thinking after watching the video, I will go to kitchen and I will prepare a cup of tea, so this thing you have to do, you have to speak in English, try to speak in English. Okay friends, it is very necessary that if you want to learn English language, if you want to speak English very fluently and naturally, so you have to do a little bit of effort, you have to put a little bit of effort. Okay, without no pain no gain. Okay, and it is rightly said that where there is will, there is a way, jahan chah wahan rah. If you want to start thinking in English language, if you want to get perfection in this language, so definitely you will find that kind of situation. Okay, I'm just going to summarize all the things which I spoke. First of all, you have to First of all, you have to narrate about your daily routine. After that, you have to follow the live commentary formula, and after that, third point, you have to, when you are sitting in the when you are sitting in the evening, you have to recap your day. Okay, friends, and you can do one more thing, like next morning what you are going to do. So with the help of will, you can speak a lot of sentences, like tomorrow morning what you are going to do. Okay, tomorrow evening what are you going to do. Okay, so you have to speak a lot of things. So friends, that's how you can think in English. You can start thinking in English. This is the process everybody follows. If you follow, definitely you can speak English very fluently and very confidently one day. In one day nothing happens, but one day everything happens. Friends, I hope this video is going to help you a lot in order to start thinking in English language. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and bye bye.